real plates, like legit real plates. If the majority of your foods are out of a bag or wrapped in foil or anything like that, it's probably an indication that you potentially snack a lot. If you switch your mind to actually saying that you are having a meal, studies have also shown that you decrease the amount of snacks that you have throughout the course of the day. So when you actually eat from a plate, your brain says, hey, I am actually having a meal. So use plates to eat your food. It will help naturally decrease the amount of calories and the amount of times that you're actually eating.